Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. In today's video, we will see the recipe of veg lasagne. It is a very simple recipe and you all will like it. I want you all to try it and post the recipes on the social media handles and don't forget to tag me in it. But before we move ahead with the recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. To make the lasagna, we will need lasagna sheets. Here I have taken 12 of them because they fit perfectly in my lasagna pan. It should be a glass pan. You can already measure them and take it out. We will boil them in hot boiling water with olive oil in it or any neutral oil to prevent them from sticking to each other. We have to boil them until the color slightly pales or it becomes slightly lighter in color and they are soft to touch. Then we will layer them up using oil in between so that they won't stick to each other. Your lasagna sheets are ready to be used. Now we will make the arrabbiata sauce or red sauce and the bechamel sauce. To make the bechamel sauce, we will melt some butter, usually 1/8 cup of butter, and when it's melted, we will add 4 tablespoons of plain flour or maida to it. Then we will whisk it using a whisk for about 1 to 2 minutes and cook it until the raw smell of the maida is gone. Finally, we will add 1.5 cups of plain milk to it and whisk it up until everything is well mixed. We will let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes and add salt and black pepper powder and keep it aside. To make the arrabbiata sauce or the red sauce, we need to take some blanched tomatoes, 6 or 7 of them. To blanch them, we have to boil them in boiling water, and before that we will have to make some cross cuts on top of it. Once they are ready, then we will peel the skin off and they are ready to be used further. We will add 6 to 8 garlic cloves to it, salt, black pepper powder and red chili powder, and blend it in a hand blender until everything is well crushed and mixed. Finally, we will add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning or herbs and mix it using a spoon so that everything is well combined. Your arrabbiata sauce or red sauce is ready. For the vegetables, we will require 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 capsicums, I am using green capsicums, finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, jalapenos which is usually cut into 4s. You can also use olives, zucchinis, red and yellow bell peppers or capsicum, cottage cheese, corn. There are n number of varieties of vegetables that are ready and you can use, but I usually like to add only these few. Now in a pan we will heat some olive oil and put in our finely chopped onions and capsicums and cook it for about a minute or 2. We will add our tomato and salt and cook it for a minute or 2. Finally, we will add the arrabbiata sauce or the red sauce that we had prepared earlier and pour it into the vegetables. We will just stir it using a wooden spoon and then let it come to a boil for a minute or 2 until it will be ready to be used further. Now it's time to assemble a lasagna. For that, we will take a glass dish or any casserole dish which you already have at home. We will layer the lasagna sheets as shown in the video and then we will add the red sauce to it and spread it all over. We will drizzle some bechamel sauce or the white sauce that we prepared and sprinkle some cheese. I am using a mix of processed cheese, cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Then we will continue doing this until all our layers are made. After our layers are made, on the final layer, we will apply red sauce. Then we will apply a lot of the bechamel sauce. You actually need to cover the whole dish with the bechamel sauce. And the last step, and then sprinkle a lot of mozzarella cheese. After that, we will bake our lasagna in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown in color. Your lasagna is baked and then it's ready to be used and served. I hope you like this recipe of lasagna, and please do try it at home and tag me in the pictures that you post on your social media handles. Don't forget to like the video, share it with all your friends, and leave your suggestions in the comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Until we meet in the next video, thanks again you guys. Bye bye.